Hi, this is Mark with Brand Source Service. Today we're going to show you how to clean out your washer drain trap. So in case it's not draining or you just want to stay up on the maintenance. This is an LG front loader. Basically, if you open this little door down here, you have a hose which is to drain your washer at a controlled rate before you actually pull out the plug. So you can drain this into a pan, or you can have a shop vac or a towel even, depending on how much water's in there. But basically, you'll clear that, put your plug back in, and then you have your actual trap. So you can pull out the trap and you might find quarters or bobby pins, who knows, whatever you put in your washer. And then just clean that out, put it back together, and then when you start your washer, I recommend leaving the door open so that you can see if it's leaking for you. Stay tuned for more videos.